Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Check your tablet's OS version and available storage, because live wallpapers use RAM and disk. Once done, open the official App Store. Search for a reputable live wallpaper or video wallpaper app. You should enable installation from unknown sources only if you must sideload an APK, otherwise avoid it for security. Make your choice: a built-in animated theme, a dedicated live wallpaper app, or a short looping video as wallpaper. Then tap Install and grant normal permissions. You open the app and follow its setup prompts. Grant only required permissions like storage access so it can save cache. Once in, preview options, particle 3D or a video loop, because visuals and battery impact differ. Make adjustments. Lower frame rate or use battery saver mode to reduce CPU use. Disable touch interaction if you want less responsiveness, and crop or trim a video to fit the screen. After configuring, tap Apply to set it to your home screen, and test swiping between pages. You finalize by applying the wallpaper to the home screen and optionally to the lock screen. Double-check orientation and scaling so no edges are cropped. If you notice lag or excessive battery drain, reduce the frame rate, turn off touch effects, or switch to a static fallback image. If problems persist, restart your launcher or the tablet, clear the wallpaper app's cache, and, if necessary, uninstall conflicting customization apps. One key tip: test performance for 10-15 minutes before settling on a high-effect wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.